Holy shit! More slimes. Ah! I died! God damn it! That happened the last time! I hate my life.
Yeah, and you left Lance and the other guy down in the hole to die. So,
you guys are down in the hole. That's what she said. Even though it didn't make sense.
I want to make a snowman with a giant machine gun.
Lance, we could have drank that for sustenance.
Sustenance. We need sustenance. Alright, I'm back. Where's my stuff?
Yeah. It's still there, and I think... Nope, still there.
Hate my life. I can't even get half of it without getting hurt.
Alright, I'm done making my snowman.
And ninja. Ninja.
So that is a slime.
Yeah, unfortunately. Go. Alright, hold on. I gotta rearrange my hotbar. Ow! God damn it, why am I moving?
Did it just break into a smaller slime?
Yeah, that's what they do when they die.
And is that thing harmless, or does it just bounce around?
The smaller ones don't kill you, the big one hurts. And the medium ones hurt. Where are my torches?
My brown snowman is protecting us.
Ooh, redstone. Alright. Attack! Is there any more? More? What's that? Oh god, lava! Why'd I have to die earlier? I don't want to die. Yeah, you better get rid of all that dirt. KJ, do you have anything important?
Yeah.
Morgan, aka Iron, do you have anything important?
Do I have any more what?
Do you have anything important?
No. What by?
Yeah!
Oh, you're an ass.
And that's where we're gonna end the video. Peace.